the Leather King. I make handmade, exclusive, one-of-a-kind leather bags. Check out my new event, Craft and Carry, where you get to come in, make a handmade leather bag, genuine leather bag, yourself, under my handy instructions. So if I was you, I'll come check it out. We're gonna just keep doing it and then bringing this liveliness to Philadelphia. But we travel too, so if you wanna book it, hit me up. So like I said, I'm Astratton, I'm Leather King, and we got this one-of-a-kind bag making event.